All of us have our myths, and if we are aware of ours and can learn what others are, we can become more effective as leaders very quickly. Myth. Discipline is a good replacement for most meetings. I'm at a loss to explain how unrealistic this idea is. It probably comes from people who have sat through awful meetings. So have I. So have you. But that's not the point. Most people's personal discipline is limited. At least mine is. And it's really easy to be seduced by the next interesting project, problem, the thing on the computer, anything else but the job I've got to do in front of me. And one of the functions of meetings that nobody talks about is to be clear about what do we need to get done this week, because in a week we're going to talk about what we got done. And that process keeps me focused, me as any worker, on essential work, and is a way to fight the seduction that's going on everywhere all the time.